In the following footage, you will meet Julia, mother of Santiago. She's going to share some of their interactions so that we can show you how communicative musicality theory can be seen in action. Julia is drawing on her knowledge as a mother, a music therapist, and a speech pathologist. Julia, can you tell us a little bit about Santiago?
Santiago is 14 months old and we live in northern Italy. I sing a lot with Santiago because that's what I do in my normal life too. So I think he has had a musical beginning to life. He's an active boy who always wants to be doing things and spend a lot of time attending to him and responding to his early communication.
In the footage we're about to watch, you're playing with Santiago using toys and games, even a little bit of peekaboo. You're naturally using the musical features that Stephen Malek and Colwyn Trevathan have described as pulse, quality, and narrative.
Dov'è la mamma? Dov'è? Eccola mamma, eccola qua.
You can see how much he enjoys this game and that is familiar to him. I really enjoy this game too because it becomes part of the web of our relationship over time. It's like we are learning to understand one another during these times, as well as learning about things like permanence and egocentricity, of course.
Let's look at another piece of footage now, and what's you and Santiago reading a book together. Let's notice how naturally you introduce musical features into that experience.
Dai, gira, ci guarda l'occhio. Oh, oh, che occhione. Giriamo. Gira, gira. Gira, gira. C'è poi? Chi c'è? Chi c'è? Oh, gli uccellini! Come fanno? Come fanno gli uccellini? Ma chissà come fanno quegli uccellini qua. Poi... Oh, questi non fanno niente. Non c'è più.
I like the structure the book offers us. To me, it's similar to what a song provides. There is a beginning and a end and a form in between, plus the story provides the melody. We also experience all the other qualities in our bodies as we move with the story and take time to connect with one another while we share. And of course, because I'm a speech and language pathologist, I'm also thinking about joint attention and how this is really important for his communication development, as well as for our relationship.
Now let's have a look at some footage where we see you and Santiago using your voices and your bodies to interact with one another in a really musical way.
Cos'è che fai? Ancora? Chi è che mangia i bastoncini qua? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Non sono io. No, 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 no. Dove vuoi andare? Ussa! Andiamo a prendere il gioco. Parapapapam, parapapapam, parapapapapapapam. Vado a prendere il mio gioco. Eccolo, eccolo qui. Oh, Issa, ecco il tuo
I love to feel
giochino.
Santiago's musicality in the way that he's responding to me. He's too young to be doing anything really musical, but this is the kind of natural musicality that all people are born with, and that I sometimes see when I'm working with children who have disabilities as well.
Now we're going to have a look at something which is much more in the realms of being traditionally musical. Santiago reaching out and trying to play the guitar.
Ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum. Ba-dum, ba-da-dum. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, Me and you and the old guitar, oh, perfectly, perfectly happy we are.
Now I'd really like to finish with some footage of you using music as a part of Santiago's sleep routine. It's lovely to watch you use the rhythm of rocking and repetitive singing, as well as all the multimodal elements of a parent-baby encounter. And there's some lovely examples of vocal interplay in there as well. You must have been really happy that it worked.
Yes, I was happy, and I know he doesn't care about my voice quality or whether I just keep singing the same thing over and over. The research proves that it doesn't matter how well I sing. A baby just prefers the sound of his parent's voice no matter what.
Mama na neo, heo, heo, da 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 da, da 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 da. Damba da ba damba. Mama na neo. Mama na neo. Mama na neo. Mama na nena. Mama na neo.
na, na,